What's up guys, welcome to our channel. We hope you guys are enjoying this beautiful monsoon season. It's even raining right now as I'm filming this video, and it's a beautiful weather. And as much as we love exploring the outdoors, we also sometimes love to film videos at home, and monsoon is a perfect time to do that. So आज के वीडियो में I'm going to review a famous Korean instant noodle brand. So most of you will probably be already knowing this brand, and it is Buldak. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's by Samyang Foods. I think it was introduced somewhere in the year 2012, and recently in the last 2-3 years this has become very popular and so many people have tried them. And I also came across these packets while roaming in the grocery store, and this always grabbed my attention, but I was not sure if I should try it. So mainly Buldak is famous for its spicy noodles, but I have decided to start with the cheese flavor. So this is my first time I'm trying these noodles. इससे पहले मैंने Nissin के spicy Korean noodles try किए थे, उसका review भी किया था. So this time I'm trying Buldak. So firstly, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is absolutely adorable, and that is what grabbed my attention while I was roaming in the instant noodle section. And even the size is little bigger. Size of the noodle cake is bigger than the usual instant noodles that we get in India. So this is completely a made in Korea product, and if you check the packaging, they have this cute little mascot. I researched about it, and it is called Hochi. It's a chicken, and it's there on every packet, and on every packet you will see a different version of it. It's wearing something different, its expressions are different. Here it's just, I think, enjoying the cheese, and in the spicy noodle packets you can see him crying. So that's really interesting. So this is Hochi, the cute chicken. By the way, इनका price है 150 Indian rupees, and these are also available in many other flavors. And the most popular one is the carbonara flavor. I haven't tried even one, so this is my first time trying it. So let's see how this cheese hot and spicy chicken flavor tastes. So we will quickly read the instructions and start cooking. So let's open the packet and see what all is inside. So firstly we have a noodle cake, which is a square shaped one, and the noodles look quite chunky, and the quantity also looks nice. After that we have this liquid sauce. So अब तक जितने भी instant noodles try किए हैं उनमें liquid sauce नहीं रहता था. This is the first time I'm having it. This might be some typical Korean spice, लेकिन इस पर भी cheese लिखा है. Hopefully it's different than the by default packet that you get in all the Buldak noodles, the spicy ones. And we have the cheese powder. This is my favorite. This is artificial cheese flavor and I really love it. Most of the people don't like it. I think it's the taste that you get in Cheetos or similar snacks which has cheese powder in it. So I've read the instructions. Now let's start cooking. So मैंने एक्चुअली नूडल्स के लिए ये वाला पैन कढ़ाई लिया था, लेकिन द नूडल्स लुक क्वाइट बिग. सो लेट्स सी. आई थिंक दिस विल डू द जॉब. So firstly we are going to take 600 ml of water, basically enough to cook the noodles. So I am putting the noodle cake now. I have taken approximate water, just enough to, wow, ये क्या किया है मैंने? Just enough to cook the noodles.
Break it.
No, I'm not going to break it. This is just like spaghetti that stays outside for some time, but after cooking it goes inside the pan. बंद कर. Now I don't feel like changing the pan, so अभी मैं इसी से काम चलाऊंगी. And I think it will do the job. See, it's getting soft. And अभी इसको ऐसे ही 5 मिनट के लिए रखना है. And I don't want to break the noodles because I want those long ones. तो अभी इसको 5 मिनट के बाद देखते हैं. अभी 5 मिनट होना बाकी है, but the noodles are looking great. So guys, noodles एकदम चंकी हो गए हैं, फूल गए हैं, and they are looking amazing. So now we have to remove the excess water from the noodles, and as given in the instructions we have to keep 8 tablespoons of that water for the last step. So I'm going to approximately keep some water while straining the rest of it. So अभी हम लोग excess पानी निकाल देते हैं. ये सारा starch water है. एंड इसमें 8 टेबलस्पून पानी डालना है, तो शायद मैं थोड़ा सा चम्मच डाल देती हूँ अभी इसमें पानी. एंड लुक एट दिस टेक्सचर, सुपर. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I think enough of this for me. चालू है. So now I'm putting this liquid sauce. Wait. Oh, wow, the sauce looks amazing. Let's give it a stir. Now let's stir these noodles. And इनको अभी थोड़ा सा स्टर फ्राई भी करने के लिए बोला है. And then put the cheese powder. But मैं अभी यहीं पे स्टर करके ले रही हूँ. And I think there is enough water in this. मतलब तो अभी सॉस के साथ इसको थोड़ा 30 सेकेंड स्टर फ्राई करना है. एंड देन वी विल बी पुटिंग द चीज़ पाउडर. सो अभी ये स्टर फ्राई भी किया है. नाउ विल बी पुटिंग द चीज़ पाउडर. ऑरेंज कलर का चीज़ पाउडर है. वाओ, इसमें आई थिंक सीवीड के पत्ते भी है गार्निशिंग के लिए. And now let's mix this up nicely. Amazing. बस. So now I'm putting these noodles in my bowl for eating. Oops, ये क्या हो गया? Yes. The sign that the noodles are cooked perfectly. Easily गिर जाते हैं डिश के अंदर. So the noodles are ready and it's time to taste. एकदम थिक और चंकी नूडल्स है. A little bit similar to the Nissin Geki noodles that I had reviewed. लेकिन ये उनसे भी ज़्यादा चंकी है. And let's see how they taste. स्पाइस की किक थोड़ी लेट लगती है, लेकिन दिस इज स्पाइसी. आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि बिकॉज इट इज़ चीज़ फ्लेवर इट्स गोइंग टू बी लेस स्पाइसी, बट दिस वन इज स्पाइसी. एंड चीज़ का फ्लेवर एकदम प्रोमिनेंटली नहीं आ रहा है. आई थिंक थोड़े बाइट्स के बाद आएगा, लेकिन ओवरऑल इट्स अ नाइस टेस्ट एंड द टेक्स्चर इज स्मूथ एंड अमेजिंग. मतलब ऐसा बहुत होलसम बाइट आता है खाने के बाद. So the weather is quite cool and rainy right now, लेकिन noodles की वजह से थोड़ी गर्मी हो रही है because they are spicy. But I love the flavors and will definitely try other flavors, especially the carbonara one. If you have tried any of these flavors, then please let us know in the comments which one do you like and which one is the best. And right now I'll enjoy these noodles watching the rain. So when I smell this sauce, smells quite similar to the one, the powder that we had in the Nissin one. I think this is the typical Korean spice. जैसे हमारे इधर गरम मसाला या फिर अलग टाइप के मसाले होते हैं. I think this is the kind of sauce that they typically use in all their foods. And I think it's called gochujang. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments what is this sauce called. So that was it about today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and do enjoy the monsoon season, but also take care not to go to dangerous places. Let me know in the comments if you would love to watch more such review videos, because there are so many other food items, brands that we would love to review. Also let us know what kind of videos you would love to see more on this channel. So currently it's monsoon season, so it's not easy to always go out for a street food vlog. So let us know in the comments what you guys would love to watch. And if you loved this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.